Can 3 o'clock hurry up? Man, about time. Deuces. And y'all see the baby right there. Y'all see her out there? What? Come on now. Jeez. It's a beautiful day out. Man, it's hot. It's hot for sure. But man, what we riding in today? What we riding in today, man? Got the Chrysler outside, you feel me? Put my bag in here. And y'all see the warm idle right now. Not too crazy. There you go for a little POV, man. Come on. YouTube, what's the deal, man? It's your boy Angel back again with another video. And today, I got a POV drive for you guys in the Hemi, the 300, baby. I just clocked out of work, as you can see. We gonna do a little chill after work, getting home, no POV drive, you feel me? I ain't gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna just let the Hemi speak for itself, you feel what I'm saying? So sit back, relax, enjoy yourself, grab some popcorn, grab some food, whatever you got to do, man. Let's get straight into this, come on. Man, it's hot today, boy. I'll tell you, in that warehouse, it's cooked. I'm fried. I'm so glad I fixed my AC too. Shout out to my boy Chrysler. Chrysler, if you're watching this, shout out to you because I'd be cooked in this car, gang. I ain't gonna lie. I see the homie riding a skateboard. Hey, y'all that be riding skateboards, y'all be going crazy. I ain't gonna lie, man. This way because I see the train. Man, regardless of the heat, man, regardless of what I'm feeling, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, amazing Monday. We woke up today. It's a blessing to be alive. Remember that, y'all. We only get one chance at life. We got to be blessed and be grateful for the little things we have. Because a lot of times in life, we take for granted what we really have, and we complain about what we don't have. Remember that. Maybe I shouldn't, because there's a cop right in front of me. Yo, what, we gonna play with him? Cop car 24. I'm pretty sure, I ain't gonna lie, I got arrested by the cop car 24. What? Whole time it's Buddy that arrested me. Yeah, I can't deal with this. Y'all are going so slow. into manual mode. I swear, only reason why I don't have the windows down right now, bro, because it's so hot, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta enjoy this AC right now while it lasts, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Bro, I swear, nothing beats a stock Hemi pop, bro. If you got a 06 Hemi, bro, whether it's a Chrysler, a Dodge Charger, a Challenger, you know what I'm talking about. When you go into manual mode, bro, them pops gonna pop and crackle, bro. I'm telling y'all. Dang, everybody going straight. Man, the worst part about the summer is, I ain't even gonna lie, this ain't even the hottest it's gonna get, bro. I swear it's supposed to be like 90 degrees in the 90s where I'm at, but I work at a warehouse, bro, so you can imagine inside warehouses how much hotter they are. I ain't gonna lie. I almost took my shirt off today at work. Fully naked. I'm just playing. Y'all want to know something funny? That same cop we just saw is like 3 cars ahead of us now. He went left, boom, then went right, boom, took the other way to come the same way. It's crazy. Man, y'all ain't slick, man. And like y'all go, yep, I knew it. It's that same car. He just busted to the right now. Come on, man. This Hemi trying to breathe, brother. You're trying to breathe, get some oxygen for the Hemi. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna give y'all a little pull when the light turns green. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna get some space between these cars. This car right here about to turn. Can't be doing too much. Literally, there's a car right in front of me. I ain't gonna lie, y'all be clowning on the neon green colors on a car, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I like the brightness. I'm bold. I'm a bold type of guy, so I like any color. I ain't gonna lie, orange, yellow, whatever the case may be. I like it. I like it a lot. And the combination of neon green, bro, and some black wheels, oh, mwah, chef's kiss. You can't hate on that, bro. the only reason why I don't be liking going down these roads specifically is because there's too much traffic. It's very constant. You don't really have a lot of legroom to really do pulls unless there's really no cars at the end of the day in front of you. Man, it is what it is, man. But also because of the fact that the roads are better. The reason why I go the specific ways that I go is because to avoid these roads. Because these roads are bad. Zip. Never come to Galesburg ever. I'm just playing. Unless you're coming to Galesburg for Judy's Pancakes. Judy, please sponsor me, please. Nah, I'm playing, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna play around right now. Freaking Betty. Bro, that manual mode is different, man. I'm telling y'all, brother. I'm telling y'all, Muddy. That manual mode is different, guys. And for all you keyboard, internet, freaking car warriors, it's not a real manual. It's not a 6-speed transmission, centrifugal. Shut up, okay? Calm down, buddy. Calm down, Jamal. It's not that serious. If you're able to go in manual mode with even an automatic shifter, bro, if you're even able to use paddle shifters, you're going into manual mode. There's a difference, bro. I'm tired of you internet warriors, man. Y'all don't even have a car. Now watch, now that I'm cutting up, these people don't. Y'all are slow, bro. Oh, I can't deal with y'all. A lot of times people will purposely slow down and do all this BS. You feel me? I mean, I'm just trying to get home, man. I'm just trying to show the Hemi, the Hemi gang, the G Squad, freaking my car, man. Well, I can't do nothing serious in this town, man. Stop playing with me, man. It's bad enough I'm only surviving off of one sway bar bracket. Yes, y'all heard that. That'll never get old. I don't care how mad I am throughout the day. I don't care what I'm going through, bro. I hear this engine. I hear this sound. I'm happy. Me happy. That's all you got to do. Also, we gotta let the neighbors hear the Hemi too. That was weak. I don't be doing nothing too crazy over here, because over here, I don't mean to sound this. Over here, a lot of people are older people. You feel me? That's all I gotta say. So I be trying to really respect, you know, but at the end of the day, you gonna respect me when I want to dog this Hemi. You feel me, cuz? Come on now, man. You know I gotta do it. I gotta do it for the squad, man. I gotta do it for the children. I gotta do it for the children, man. The children, brother. I'm about to get to the crib right now anyway. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna start doing a lot. Oh, look at the kitty. Hi, kitty. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Speaking of cats, I just seen that cat. I been liking cats more. I ain't gonna lie. I got a friend. She got a cute little kitty. I ain't gonna lie. She a cute little kitty. I be liking cats a lot. I ain't gonna lie, man. But anyways, I was gonna say, I ain't gonna lie, I'm starting to think about doing more POV drives. Maybe there's some nightly drives. I'm gonna start doing more content. I ain't gonna lie. I just don't be knowing what to do. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna start doing what I want. Because this ain't about everyone. This is about me. Not to sound prideful or anything. You feel me? Whew. Oh yeah, we made it. We made it, chat. Back at home, man. I ain't gonna lie. We at the crib ski, chilling. Oh my gosh. You could smell the oil. You could smell her. You could smell me banging through them gears, cuz I ain't gonna lie. Nah, but man, that's this little, POV drive going back home. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see more POV drives, let me know down in the comments. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button for more videos like this. I ain't gonna lie, I'm low-key thinking about doing a POV drive on the way to work tomorrow morning, so I'm probably gonna do that. A lot more videos coming soon. A lot of content coming for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all hit that bell, hit that notification button, man. Other than that, man, I love you guys so much. God bless you guys. Jesus loves y'all. And I hope y'all have a good one. Peace.
Lord, forgive me from my ways and save me from my sins. Heart is beat knocking, but I can't go and seek revenge. Time to worship God, I'm about to kill my flesh with this. Like this my testament, I do the best with this. Feel like a modern day disciple, gotta